welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do a 10-minute ab workout, and you don't need any equipment. All you need is a mat or a towel or something to lie down on that won't cause you pain when you're on the floor. And you're going to do 10 exercises. Every exercise will be different, and we're going to do one after the other so that it's fast-paced, it's interesting, you don't get bored, you don't have to repeat any exercises, and in 10 minutes you'll be done. If we're just meeting, my name is Alina and and I am a certified personal trainer, and I use this YouTube channel and my Instagram at CoachAlina_ to share tips and workouts for people who are just starting their fitness journey and want some help, want some workout ideas, advice, and all of the above. The format of the workout will be 10 exercises, like I said, back to back to back, and we're going to do 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. So you'll do the exercise for 40 seconds, or as long as you can do it in those 40 seconds, and then the rest of that minute will be your break, and then we'll go right into the next one. Let's get started. The first exercise is going to be our plank. So if you have an Apple Watch, now's the time to start it, and get down on your mat. Remember, flat back, and let's go. You can always do a plank straight on your arms like this if you prefer, or I prefer to do it on my elbows and keeping my arms straight, or in a prayer pose like this. Keep your back flat and your abs super tight and engaged. Right here, you want to squeeze through here. If you feel this in your low back, then make sure you're squeezing your abs, because your low back may be trying to compensate for your abs because you're not able to squeeze them as much. Also squeeze your glutes and just breathe. Okay. The next exercise is a standing oblique crunch, and we're going to do the left side first. During all of these exercises, you want to make sure you're still keeping your abs super tight. You can keep both hands here, whatever is more comfortable for you. And instead of just bringing the leg straight like this, try and bend your upper body and your leg so that you really crunch. Now I'm going to do the right side, same movement. Remember, during all of these exercises, you want to stand straight for the standing ones, but you also want to just keep your abs engaged from the front, even if you're only working your side. This also challenges your balance, which helps with core strength, stability, as I fall. So my right leg is definitely stronger, and so right now I have to balance on my left leg, which is why this side is a lot harder. So if one side is harder, don't feel discouraged, it's totally normal. Next exercise is a reverse crunch. So remember, this is for your lower abs. Keep your legs in the right angle. I'm tapping my heels to the ground to make sure I go low enough, but I'm not bringing my entire foot down because I want to keep as much tension as I can here in my lower abs. If you feel any pressure here in your lower back, you can take your hands and place them right here. That wasn't graceful, my bad. next exercise is penguins. So back to the obliques. Remember, try and touch your heel and really squeeze from here. During this movement. All right, we're halfway there. Next exercise is a side plank, so we're going to start on our left side again. So keep your elbow right below your shoulder, straighten your legs. Let's go. For a side plank, again, you can also do it from your hand if you want to, but I'm choosing not to. And you can keep your arm here, you can keep it straight. For a challenge, you can keep it right here. Like this part of your abs, so the oblique closer to the ground is where you should be feeling this the most, right here. But you still want to keep your abs from the front super tight and super engaged, because that's the way you'll strengthen them over time. These seconds is a long time. Alright, now for the other side. You're almost there. 4 minutes and you're done. Ready? This side again is definitely easier for me because my right side is generally stronger than my left. Next exercise is just a normal sit-up. So, lie on your mat. Does anyone else notice how dirty their carpet is when they're like working out near the floor? That's all I can think about right now. You don't need to go for speed here. Just focus on squeezing your abs here. Coming all the way up. Instead of doing a crunch, because we're doing an entire sit-up, a crunch would be like this, but we want to go all the way up. Almost there. 5 seconds. Next exercise is technically not a direct ab exercise, it's actually for your lower back, but it's still really important for your core. It's part of your core and helping you stand straight and just making you look, helping you stand straight, which helps your abs look flatter and all of that. So let's get to it. You can just lift your upper body and not lift your legs. Alright, one more exercise to go, and we're gonna do Russian twists. a lot more fun than it sounds. Just remember, keep your back flat as flat as possible, and to make it easier, you can keep your legs on the ground. So I'm just trying to tap the opposite side with the opposite hand. So I'm using my right hand to tap my left side. And this way you make sure that you're actually twisting the full amount. So don't quit, you have 20 seconds, less than that, and then you're done. You don't have to cross your feet, you can just let crossing your feet makes it easier. 5, I love this timer because I like the sound effect at the end. But that's it. You're done. That's the entire 10-minute ab workout. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram to ask me any questions that you have there. And if you have specific workouts that you want to see, let me know. I try and make beginner-friendly workouts with modifications when necessary. So just tell me what you're interested in and I can make it happen. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for the next video. Bye.